So today I'm going to be talking to you about why sports are beneficial to kids growing up and all the way through life and your adult life as well. So sports benefit your overall health and your physical well-being. The physical activity involved in MMA sports helps prevent a lot of diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, certain types of cancer, obesity, and it also helps benefit heart disease. And this would increase your overall well-being. Also, your life it would also make you live longer on average compared to the people that didn't play sports. Um, Sports also help you build friendships growing up. So as a little kid, it's very important to have a very strong team around you. So team sports would be very motivating to these kids, and it would also help develop the kids' self-esteem and make them more confident in themselves. And the sports also build a social life that extends outside of the sport, so that the kids learn from each other and motivate each other on and off the sporting arena. And this would also help the kids develop more of a personality and more positive body image. And also, sports in general also help develop very valuable personality traits such as leadership, which would be very valuable in a workplace. These sports can help you eventually one day become a CEO of a company and just learn how to succeed more. Sportsmanship would teach you that failure's not always that bad, that you can be kind to others no matter what you're going through. The accountability is kind of the same thing as leadership. It would be very valuable in a workplace, as you will be more likely to get everything done on time and admit when you're wrong. And all these overall add to the character of the person, and the kids would develop more of a positive character that would help the society later on in the future. Sports also teach you to have a very strong work ethic, and this has been seen that there have been stats that show that kids that play sports in high school are more likely to have academic success and then go on to graduate and attend to college and graduate from college. And this just goes to show that it teaches you a very strong work ethic, and it teaches you that not everything is just given to you, that you have to actually work for a little bit. And it also goes to show that sports develop skills for everyday life. So this goes back to the physical activity and in the personality traits. The physical activity will make you healthier, which would make you more able to get through a day. And then the skills for everyday life, with the personality, that just changes you as a person and makes you more likely to be willing to learn. And all this goes on to show the benefits of sports. So yeah, that's why sports are very beneficial to kids, and especially, and then can also benefit you later on in life.